swag, bitch.
Oh, that's what happens when you don't drive your car in so long. Literally just stole the car right now. Today I'm very happy. The Z is finally good to drive on the road. For the longest time the car had expired tags. My dad had to go to the DMV to get that figured out, but he hadn't had time, and since the car is sitting all the time, it didn't really matter, because the only times that I drive the car is basically when I come on the weekends, and I either go to the car wash that's literally like less than a mile from here, or a Walmart which is right next to it. Other than that, I don't really take out the car. I haven't driven this car in pretty much 3 weeks because I went to EDC, so I didn't drive it that week. And yeah, I'm really excited. Now I can take it to car meets. Hopefully there'll be car meets coming soon. I don't know if I'm gonna be racing since I don't have hook pins for it. So, oh, that's what happens when you don't drive your car in so long. Literally just stole the car right now. Well, sucks. But yep, hopefully I don't stole the car again. It's kind of dark, so I'm not sure how much you're gonna be able to see, but you're gonna hear the sound of the tummy. Forever to do a fucking U-turn. Pisses me off. I don't know if this happens to people, but like when you're driving your daily and you see like all the cool cars or the race cars on the street, and then you're just in your daily and you can't race them or do anything. So I was like, damn. Like that day, that other video that I posted with the Corvettes, I mean, I know that would have got me, but at least like I would have been on my Z. It would have looked better. sucks about driving at night is that you don't know if you have any cops behind you, because like all the freaking lights of the cars look almost the same. So unless it's really close to you, you won't know. And this area is always a lot of cops, so kind of sucks. Definitely need to find a better place to do some pulls and whatnot. Ooh, I have a Challenger behind me. What is it? An RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat. I don't know. It looks like it's not even an RT, honestly. I don't see any badging, and it looks like the base model wheels. Oh, and it's crashed. Oh, look at 370Z. Yay! Sup, homie? Is he looking here? I think he is. Yeah, it's lower, so it's nice. Say hi. So now that I can drive the car more, I'm probably gonna wait a little bit to boost the car. I'm still missing some stuff anyways, so I probably won't be boosting the car until I don't know, do you have plenty of time? Supposedly my parents want to buy a house with a garage, so hopefully they do, and then it will be a lot easier for me to do the install there. Because right now where we live, like I don't have a garage, so if it starts raining, it's definitely gonna suck. So I'm gonna have to put everything away really fast, and then I'm gonna have to stop. Also, the floor is gonna be wet. Have some time with driving the car in A, since I've been doing this car barely. Now this wall is packed. So many people here. Some line to put air in the tires. Huh? Another Charger here. Another base, I think that's a GT model, which is a V6, which wouldn't be a challenge. I want to drive this car around these 4 days as much as I can, because the gas on this car has been the same for quite a while. So I want to put some new gas pretty soon. Let's see if I can find an empty spot with some light. Hey guys, so what I was saying about the turbo, yeah, I'm probably gonna hold up on installing the turbo for a bit. I'm still missing the injectors and the fuel pump, so I mean, even if I install the kit, I'm not even gonna be able to even start up the car until I have those things. I'm still waiting for the guy that I'm supposed to buy them from to like let me know for a day for me to pick them up, but yeah, he's always busy. The fuel pump I just kind of ordered online. I haven't decided yet, but yeah. And the bracket that I was missing, I already got it from Soho, so that's good. I could technically just install the kit, but my parents might sell the house or where they're living now, so if they do, I'm gonna be screwed, because then I'm not gonna be able to move the car unless I pay a tow truck. And they're gonna be moving like an hour away, so it's definitely gonna be an expensive tow truck drive. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna wait. Either way, I already have the kit. It's just getting pretty much those two things, and I'll be ready to install the kit. I will also have to talk with my tuner to get a base map to start up the car, and then set up a date to actually what's it called, tune the car. So this is how the seat's sitting right now. I need to wash it, but yeah, still pretty clean. That's why I advise you guys to get some covers to cover your car, because that's gonna help you to preserve the paint. Even if you store the car in the garage, like that's just gonna get dusty. So I really recommend getting some covers, especially ones that are like waterproof. Those are amazing if your car is sitting outside like mine. This really helps the car stay clean. Obviously, as you can see, my hood, I need to, what's it called, or use a compound. But yeah, interior is pretty good except for that part that you guys know it's fucked up, but we'll fix that at some point. Let's drive back to the house. Oh shit, there's a freaking cop there. Start this way. Hopefully he won't pull me over for no reason. I just want to be as far as I can from him. So if I get pulled over now, it's really going to suck. Getting pulled over after not driving this car for 3 weeks. I mean, technically I haven't driven this car in months, because like every time I take it out it's only like a couple miles. Like, so I wouldn't even count those as actually driving the car. Yeah, now I know that just in case I shouldn't do a pull this year. There are a lot of cops in this area, which I really don't like. The good thing about living in Cali, at least, is that, you know, they have the canyons and you can just go to the canyons and have a fun time. But here in Florida, it's like so hard to find a place to have like a nice drive. The only thing that you can pretty much do is just go in a straight line. But I definitely miss driving this car a lot. It's way more fun. Driving stick shift, hearing the sound of the car, being able to pass people on the road. Can't wait for this thing to be boosted. I definitely need to get those hood pins, because I don't feel safe every time I speed up a little bit, because I'm afraid that my hood is gonna open. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to find a nice stretch to do a pull. no cops nearby, because if there was, I'm kind of fucked. So hopefully there wasn't. Guys, that concludes the drive. Hopefully you enjoyed the drive. I know that you couldn't see much because it was dark, but yeah, I'll have another video tomorrow, hopefully.